love working at Kaleidoscope. It's the best job I've had.
Kaleidoscope's a great place to work.
The main job is to try to restore the garden to what the original intent was. The process is taking a look at the garden, making decisions about what to prune, what to remove, what to edit. The first step is to weed and groom the planting beds, hand weed, get rid of any weeds or unwanted plant material, redefine everything, and then prune all the shrubs and trees so that there's definition, so there's separation, so there's clearance, and for the health of the plant material. We've been in business for 34 years, primarily taking care of people's gardens and estates. Our people are trained as gardeners. We spend a lot of time learning, teaching, and I get to work with some really awesome people, people who know gardens, who are gardeners, and they're funny, and they're just great people to work with.